Are you kidding me? What the actual Hey everybody, it's Silver Seeker, and in today's video we are going to unbox some very awesome video game licensed silver coins. We're going to take a look at some awesome 1 ounce silver rounds that I picked up, and just to give you a hint, if you guys like the 1 ounce silver breaker bars, you're going to love these. And finally, we are going to talk about this 1 ounce silver Han Solo Chibi, of which we picked a winner for at the Grove, Oklahoma coin show, but the winner never claimed his prize, so we are going to give it away again. So that is what we have in today's video, guys, so let's get into it. But really quick, if you like videos about silver stacking, coin collecting, and more, don't forget to go down below and subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss any future video notifications. All right, well, let's go ahead and get our video game licensed silver coins out of the way, because I do want to take a look at what's in this tube first. Now, guys, if you have ever seen the 1 ounce silver breaker bars, the Stagecoach silver, you may know what this is. Take a look at what's on the reverse of these. Sure enough, these are 1/4 ounce silver rounds. Well, they're 1 ounce silver rounds, I should say, but they break off into 1/4 ounce chunks. So you can actually break these into 4 separate 1/4 ounce pieces. These are really cool. It's the Stagecoach silver for when you have to get out of Dodge. That's what we have today. We have a full tube of those. I wanted to share these with you because these things are really, really cool. Excited to have these in my hands. And when I was able to pick some of these up, I'm like, oh my gosh, I have to get those because they're so cool. So what we might do, maybe in a future video, we'll actually break one of these apart into the 4 pieces and just see how easy it is to get these broken apart. Now, we've done it to the bar before, and if you remember, we actually gave away all 4 of the 1/4 ounce chunks on this channel. So if we do that with one of these, we'll probably do the same, where we'll give away the 4 1 ounce or 1/4 ounce chunks. So make sure you stay tuned. Don't miss out on that, but these are really, really cool. Wanted to share those with you first. So let's get those out of the way. We're actually gonna go ahead and unbox the video game licensed silver coins now, but inside this box, guys, this is really cool. So I've had video game licensed stuff before. We've had like Pac-Man and things like that. This one was really exciting because I have been a very, very big fan of this game, and you guys probably know what the name of this game is because you've probably read the title of this video. I'm sure when I titled this video, it's gonna have the word Tetris in it. But yes, these are the 1 ounce silver Tetris silver coins. Now, I picked up a couple of the colorized ones. I picked up the proof, and of course I picked up some tubes of the actual uncirculated ones as well. So we'll go ahead and get this out. So it appears that my invoice is going to be inside this package, so I'll just have to make sure I get that off camera. But let's go ahead and just start our cut right here and tear it across. Bingo, bango, I see an invoice. All right, let's get that out. All right, so the invoice is gone, and we have our package of silver. So these are cool because they actually come in capsules already, which I really like when they come in capsules already. So let's go ahead and take a look at those first. So we'll go ahead and actually open up one of these tubes. Man, these almost look proof. Now, I picked up the actual proof, so we're really going to have to do some comparison, but as you can see, you do have Tetris, the Tetramino blocks up there, Tetris. These are from Nui, so you see you got the Nui logo there. Now, what I like is that Nui actually removed the queen from their silver coins. And then on the front, you do have the original St. Basil's Cathedral, which is cool. Man, I tell you what, these do look proof. So we're actually going to compare that to the limited edition proof, because the limited edition proof, they only minted 370 of them, to which I thought was really cool. Kind of a really low mintage number, if you will. So what else do we have in here? Oh yeah, so this one's cool. This is one of the colorized ones. This is the Tetramino blocks. And if you flip it over, take a look at the reverse. Now, I've said in the past that I'm not a huge fan of colorized coins, but some of these ones they've been coming out with where they're actually minted and colorized at the actual manufacturer instead of third party. So what I mean is, like, you know, with Silver Eagles, you'll have a company that takes the Silver Eagles and then they will colorize them. These are actually made to be colorized. But this is really cool. So, and I'll tell you a secret. One of these is a gift for Mrs. Seeker because she loves Tetris. But anyway, yes, these are really, really cool. All right, let's see what else we have. Okay. All right, so this is the other one of the colorized ones. So this, as you can see, is the opening Tetris screen, 1989. Press start. How cool is that? And if you flip it over to the reverse, you can see you actually have the rocket launching. So if you guys know anything about Tetris, you'll know that the rocket gets bigger the better you do in the game. So if you do really good, then the rocket will actually get bigger as time goes on. So, you know, as your score goes up, I should say. So let's get the rest of those out, because we did get more of those. So we picked up, we should have gotten 3 of each. So 1, 2, yes. So as you can see, we got 3 of the video game screen ones, and then 3 of these. And then finally, guys, we have the proof. So we're gonna take a look at the proof. Now, whoa, this is not how I expected the proof to be shipped. Okay, so come on, APMEX, seriously. Seriously, look at this. Couldn't they have put the container inside of the slip so that it didn't, I mean, I guess it still would have got bent. They just need to ship. So I will actually call and complain and see if I can get them to replace the cardboard, because that's messed up. Like, when I order stuff like this, I want it to be in good shape, but as you can see, they just kind of shove it into the package with all the other stuff. And even my container is dented. So let's just hope the coin is fine, but as you can see, that was, come on. All right. So we'll pull off the capsule. They do have a little piece of foam in there protecting the coin. And you have the beautiful 1 ounce silver proof mintage of 370. And if you're wondering about 370, that's because Tetris is now 37 years old. And what's the difference? Seriously, what in what the wait, okay. Okay, come on, guys. Look at this. All right. So, just to give you a breakdown. In fact, let me get my invoice. So, I paid $60 more for this than these per coin. They are identical. There is no different. They are both proof finishes. There is literally zero difference between the proof and what I got in these tubes. What in the actual bad words that I don't say on this channel is going on here? I mean, don't get me wrong. I like special releases, like proof releases and things like that. But I am not going to pay them $60 for a little piece of, you know, a little flimsy COA that I can print on my own and a smashed up, indented tin and container. This is ridiculous. I have never in my life... You've got to be kidding me. Like, seriously, I don't even know what's going on right now. Like, I had... What the... Wow. Okay, well... I don't have any words for what the heck just happened. I mean, you guys can see this with your own eyes. You saw me unbox it. Same exact coin, same finish. There's nothing on this signifying that it's even a special release. These are identical in every single way. They literally packaged up the same coins, charged an extra $60 or more for the very flimsy tin container and a little COA and a smashed up box because they didn't even bother to ship it to me correctly. I'm at a loss for words. All right, well, listen, you guys are probably wondering about the Han Solo, so let's just get into it. So we have, this is awesome, guys. So unfortunately, the winner for this did not claim it. He was sent a notification email. He never responded to the notification email. And you know what? So it's going to somebody else. So we are giving away this once again, the 1 ounce Silver Chibi Han Solo. Now this was sent to me from Silver Surfer. I'll have a link to his channel below. Make sure you go over and show him some support because he did send this to me to give away. And even though the original winner didn't claim it, that doesn't mean I get to keep it. We're just going to make sure somebody gets this from the community. So I want to share that with you. So there you go. So guys, do me a favor, make sure you leave a comment down below. That's how we're going to do this giveaway. If you leave a comment down below, let me know what you think about the video. Let me know what you think about this. And yeah, I mean, I'm at a loss for words for this, but I want to hear your thoughts, and I will pick one of the comments as the winner for this 1 ounce silver Han Solo Chibi. So do me a favor also, make sure you're subscribed to the channel if you haven't done so yet. Click the notification bell, that way you don't miss future video notifications, because that's the best way to get them. Keep checking the channel, leaving comments, and hit that like button. And we'll see you next time. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I did leave a video above. You can check out if you haven't seen it yet. I also want to give a huge shout out and a huge thank you to my awesome channel supporters scrolling right there on the right hand of the screen. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.